Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You can see this beautiful glueless wig on my hair. It's very beautiful and it's glueless. Let me show you the practical video on how I make it. Look at it now. Turn around. It's glueless. Take it and wear it on your head. Here is the process on how I make it. I made this particular wig on a 360 cap wig, and what I use is attachment extension. I use my sewing thread to do the kiko threading, I mean to say. Then I use a black rubber band to hold the hair from the tip. If you look at the hair very well, I have already sectioned them into different parts, and I use the black rubber band to hold the hair down in order for me to start the making one after the other. Here I am trying to make it. After crocheting my attachment extension, I have to use the thread to wrap the hair, then fold it the way I'm folding it, like this that you are seeing. This is exactly what I do, and I achieve this particular hairstyle. One thing about this hairstyle is so easy to wear and it's glueless. You don't need to waste your time while gluing it. Watch this video to the end because you are going to see the exact way I pack it. Packing it is another thing that you need to watch. And here is how I crochet the down of the hair with the extension. I crochet the hair with extension round before I start threading it with sewing thread. Yes, I use sewing thread to thread this particular hair. And the packing is another wonderful step that you need to see. It's so beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe if you are just joining me. Turn on the notification bell, and beautiful tutorial like this will still be coming up. Thanks for being with me. See you, and don't forget to watch it to the end.